As I mentioned before, this is the governor in a mechanical fuel injection pump. This is the gear where my fingers are. This is the gear of the fuel injection pump. The gear of the fuel injection pump engaged with the gear of the camshaft, and this is the gear of the crankshaft. And in the gear of the fuel injection pump, we have the counterweights, and we have this element fabricated in Teflon. This element goes in and out and moves the reel of the fuel injection pump and introduce more or less fuel according with the video that I explained before. Those are the counterweights that are open when the RPMs increase and close when the RPM decrease. In other words, this element goes in and out depending on the RPMs, and the RPMs depend on the load. Depending on the load on the engine, depending on the load, the engine, the RPMs increase or decrease. And this is the process, this is the mechanism. It's going out, in and out, and the counterweights open and close, introducing more or less fuel. More or less fuel enter in each injector, and of course the mixture will be rich or lean depending of this. This is the movement of the counterweights in this particular generator.